G'day, I'm Outback Stu and I'm here to talk to you about the slave cylinder that we provide in our VDJ extra heavy duty clutch kits. I'm going to show you the difference between the one that we provide and the factory one that might be mounted to your vehicle, and explain to you why it's very important that you do mount the one that we provide in the kit. The two slave cylinders might look exactly the same from the outside. However, inside is where the difference lies between the two. With the pistons popped out, you can actually see the difference in the size. The slave cylinder we provide in our kit has a nearly 20% smaller piston area. What this translates to is the friction point and where you can modulate the pedal and how close it is to the floor. So if you don't fit the slave cylinder, what you'll find is that the friction point is going to be far too close to the floor, and you might find it's difficult to select gears. The slave cylinder is a direct replacement of the factory unit. Just simply mount it to the bell housing and connect the existing rubber line and bleed it. You want some outtakes to go with it? You need we roll them? That's coming back to bite me. Alright.